Primex Finance stands at the forefront of decentralized finance innovation, offering a cross-chain protocol that goes beyond mere integration with multiple decentralized exchanges. In the dynamic world of blockchain technology, the platform embraces cross-chain interactions, introducing a new layer of liquidity that significantly elevates the trading experience for users. The Primex router, a key component of Primex Finance, empowers traders by providing seamless access to multiple liquidity pools across various DEXs. This functionality not only simplifies the trading process, but also enhances cost efficiency by identifying the most optimal swap routes, thereby minimizing trading fees. Cross-chain interactions have become a pivotal aspect of blockchain ecosystems. The interconnected nature of blockchain enables transactions on one chain to impact others. Primex Finance leverages this interconnectedness to introduce a level of flexibility and borderlessness not often seen in traditional financial systems. While established blockchain systems like Bitcoin and Ethereum may lack native cross-chain capabilities, newer systems are designed with built-in support for such interactions. Cross-chain protocols, especially bridges, play a crucial role in facilitating interoperability across different blockchains. Primex Finance, as a forward-thinking platform, embraces these protocols to provide users with a more expansive and versatile trading environment. The platform's commitment to cross-chain capabilities extends to addressing the fragmentation prevalent in digital asset markets. Primex Finance is not just an ordinary cross-chain protocol. It is specifically designed to be Ethereum Virtual Machine (EVM) compatible. This strategic integration allows Primex to navigate seamlessly through multiple DEXs, aggregating liquidity pools and optimizing the overall trading experience for its users. In essence, Primex Finance stands as a beacon of innovation in the DeFi space, offering a comprehensive cross-chain protocol that integrates with DEX, utilizes bridges for interoperability, and addresses market fragmentation. Traders leveraging Primex can explore a richer and more interconnected landscape, making the platform a go-to choice for those seeking a sophisticated and optimized decentralized trading experience.